Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y frunk door stiffness and outlines commonly documented reasons why the frunk may feel difficult or stiff to open during normal use. This behavior has been observed across certain Model Y vehicles and can vary by model year, production period, and hardware condition. The frunk door on the Tesla Model Y is designed to open smoothly using a mechanical latch and gas struts once released. When the frunk feels stiff to open, owners may notice increased resistance when lifting the panel, uneven movement, or the need to apply more force than expected even after the latch releases. In some cases, the frunk may open only partially or feel tight at the initial lift point. Verified information indicates that mechanical and environmental factors are common contributors to this behavior. Newer vehicles may exhibit stiffness during early ownership due to tight tolerances in hinges, seals, or gas struts that have not yet loosened through regular use. Weather conditions such as cold temperatures can also affect gas strut performance, temporarily reducing lift assistance and making the frunk feel heavier to open. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Other documented factors include misalignment of the frunk latch or striker, increased friction from the front weather seal, or hinge lubrication wear. In vehicles that have undergone front-end bodywork or frunk adjustments, alignment changes may increase resistance during opening. As a possibility, damaged or weakening gas struts could also contribute, though this is not confirmed for every case. General guidance includes opening the frunk from the center using both hands as recommended, observing whether stiffness improves with warmer temperatures, and checking for visible obstructions or seal interference. If the frunk remains difficult to open or worsens over time, inspection by Tesla service may be required to assess struts, latch alignment, or hinge condition. Overall, a stiff frunk door on the Tesla Model Y can result from normal mechanical characteristics, environmental conditions, or alignment-related factors. The cause and severity can differ between vehicles and model years, and not every case indicates a defect. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.